What if I told you there was a time on Earth when the sun still rose every morning, but summer never came? Not because of humans, not because of pollution, but because the dinosaurs were gone. And what happened after their extinction was even more terrifying than their fall. "66 million years ago, a massive asteroid struck the Earth. In a geological instant, the dinosaurs, rulers of the planet for over 160 million years, were nearly wiped out. But extinction didn't end that day. That impact was only the beginning of a planetary nightmare.
These multi-layered clouds, often miles thick, scatter the sunlight.
The collision blasted billions of tons of dust, ash, and sulfur high into the atmosphere. The result? Sunlight was blocked. Global temperatures collapsed. Photosynthesis nearly stopped. Earth entered a period scientists now describe as the year without summer. In reality, it may have lasted several years. The sun was there, but its warmth never truly reached the ground. No sunlight meant no plants. No plants meant no herbivores. No herbivores meant no predators. A biological domino effect that erased nearly 75% of all life on Earth. The oceans weren't spared. Plankton died. Food chains collapsed. From the smallest organisms to the largest marine predators. This wasn't just the end of dinosaurs. It was a full reset of the planet. Here's the surprising part. The survivors weren't the strongest. They weren't the biggest. They were small, adaptable, able to hide, able to eat almost anything. In the cold darkness of this post-dinosaur world, tiny mammals began to thrive in the shadows. No one noticed at the time. But this was the moment. The future of humanity quietly began.
Beneath the surface, a complex world thrives. Here we see the long-eared hedgehog, the harvest mouse,
Eventually, the dust settled. The skies cleared. Sunlight returned. But Earth was no longer the same. New forests grew. New species evolved. Entirely new ecosystems formed. The age of dinosaurs was over. In its place rose something new. A world beyond dinosaurs. This story reminds us of something profound. Collapse is not always the end. Sometimes, it is the condition for a different future to exist. Earth didn't survive by staying the same. It survived by changing completely. If you enjoy stories about dinosaurs, Earth, extinction, and what lies beyond, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss what comes next. Because this story is only the beginning.